So today we're gonna see if the market will hold the support or will the market continue down to the Fibonacci level, and should we buy at that area or should we sell? I don't know. So let's continue watching this video. I'm gonna show you what I think about Bitcoin right now. Little update on Bitcoin. We broke the resistance that we had here, and we are now at the area where we were talking about yesterday. We're still around the weekly previous support right here. So we can take a box and just do it kind of like this. So we're taking from the body to the wick here. So we'll have some space with the price, and the market spiked up and it broke the resistance that we had here, and this was the higher high, and now we just broke up, made another higher high. So what we are waiting for right now is for the market to come down and make a higher low. And I took the Fibonacci from the low to the high. The 1561% also came to the resistance. If the market comes back down here and respect the area, I'm definitely gonna buy the market. But right now, I think the market is too high up, so I want the price to come down a little bit before I buy it, because you can see on the higher time frames that we did break it. We are doing a higher high. What do we want to do then? We want to wait for the higher low, and we want to find a entry on it. And I usually just copy and paste the zones that I think is very important to the lower time frames. I need the smaller details for me to find my entries. So on the lower time frames, we're right now in a little bit of a downtrend that it broke. You can see we made lower highs, lower high, lower high. And we also can see that we had a small triangle right here, and it broke it to the upside. The market can continue to go up. The market doesn't have to come down here just because of the Fibonacci level. It can just retest some areas around the smaller time frames around here and then continue to go up. We can also take a Fibonacci level from the low to the high here, see if the market's going to react to it. We have to know where the price is going to go to. So if the market breaks this area around here, the next target that I have is around here. So if the market comes back down, make a higher low, the market then eventually will come to this area. If you're trading for the long run, we have the high. And if the market's going to continue to the upside, obviously we're going to break this high. Can you see how perfect the market came back down and retested it as a support one more time? So the market can have this as a support, as a new support, and then continue to the upside. But still remember, it can do a lot of things from here. It can continue to go down, retest it from the market. Usually don't just spike up 100%. I mean, it has to retrace a bit. So maybe like this, come back down, retest the support again, and then go up. Usually the market retests the same part 2 times before it spikes up. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the second touch of the market, because what we're doing right here, I mean, the market has touched it once, but I definitely think that the market will come back down a little bit, and I hope it does, because otherwise for me, I don't want to buy anything that high up. So I definitely want the market to come back down to this area, because it's not just a resistance turning into a support, it's also where the Fibonacci level comes to. So you have 2 confirmation that this area is respected, and you're having candlestick patterns. You have 3 confirmations to buy the market, and your target will be here. So thank you, everyone. I'm going to update you tomorrow what happened, and I hope all of you are going to have a great weekend. Bye.